సో డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం 7th క్లాస్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్ ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ that is the universe and the earth. Now we are going to discuss about the chapter. In this chapter we are going to discuss about the universe, the solar system, the environment, the factors of pollution and the disasters. Here in this chapter, in the universe and the earth, first we are going to discuss about the universe. In the universe, the origin of universe, and next the solar system. In the solar system, the origin of the solar system we are going to discuss and watch. And next point, that is environment. In the environment we are going to discuss about the components of the environment, and in the components of the environment, natural components of the environment, human components of the environment, man-made components of the environment. And in the natural environment, so we are going to discuss non-living organs. Those are land, water, air, and that is lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So in the land, interior of the earth, in the air layers of the atmosphere, and living organisms, those are biosphere. Next, factors of pollution, and later disasters. Disasters are two types: natural disasters and man-made disasters. So these are the things we have to cover in this chapter. This is universe. Universe is a very huge thing and we cannot imagine. It is very big thing. This is universe. Here in this universe, what things do you observe from the picture? So here we can observe the sun, stars, moon, galaxies, planets. So many things are we can observe here. These are called, this is universe. So these are celestial bodies. These are stars, planets, moons, asteroids, nebula, star clusters, galaxies, pulsars, quasars, black holes, dark matter. All these are called celestial bodies. So all these celestial bodies came from the Big Bang. So once upon a time, the Big Bang happened. This is the origin of the universe. This is the Big Bang theory. It happened 13.7 billion years ago. It was explained by the Belgian astronomer Georges Lemaitre. Astronomer is a scientist who studies the stars, planets and other natural objects in the space. He is called an astronomer. So astronomers can explain about the universe. They find so many things. So this is Big Bang. It happened 380,000 years ago. So after the dark ages, first stars appeared. It happened 300 million years ago. Next, early galaxies appear. It happened 1 billion years ago. Next, formation of the solar system 9 billion years ago. Here we are watching the modern galaxies. It is present day. This is universe. We are watching the center of the universe. There we can see the so many galaxies and they are moving around the universe, center of the universe. This is a galaxy. It's a cluster of millions of stars. It's a huge cluster of stars. Our solar system is a part of one galaxy. It is also known as a Milky Way, Akashganga, Palavelli, Palapunta, like that. See here, universe is a very huge thing. The distance from one edge of the galaxy to the another is 1,20,000 light years. So we cannot make journey from one edge to another edge in a galaxy. So how much big it is? Imagine a light year is a unit of distance. It is the distance that light can travel in 1 year. Light moves at a velocity of above 3 lakh kilometer per second. This is solar system. This is the sun. It is a star. Here we can observe the inner planets. Next, asteroids. See here, asteroids and outer planets. So these formed about 4.6 billion years ago. So this is a solar system. We can observe the asteroids also. The geocentric theory was explained by Ptolemy. He was an Egyptian astronomer. This is the theory set by the Ptolemy. So according to this theory, Earth is the center of the solar system. But it is a wrong theory, but it was explained by Ptolemy first. It is also one of the great thing. But it was corrected by the Nicholas Copernicus. It is a heliocentric theory. He was a Polish astronomer. It is 100% correct about the solar system. This is solar system explained by the Copernicus. So this solar system in the observe here, sun, eight planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids. So all these things are in this solar system. Planets, the celestial bodies which do not have their own heat and light and lit by the light of the stars are called planets. The Earth is one which we live is a planet. Here we can observe Mercury, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Like all these are planets. This is Bududu Mercury and Sukrudu Venus. Next, Bhumi Earth. This is blue planet. So these are very wonder things we have to observe in the solar system. Angarakudu, Kujudu, Mars, Gurudu, Brihaspati, Jupiter. This is the biggest planet in the solar system. Next, Saturn, Sheni. This is the second biggest planet in the solar system. It has rings also. It is one of the beautiful planets. This is Uranus. It is also known as Indrudu. So it is a frozen planet. It is very cool. Next, Neptune. Neptune is also a cool planet. It has very cool climate. That's why it looks like very light blue color. So here you can observe inner planets, asteroids, outer planets, and their satellites, moons. See here, this is Earth. Earth is the third nearest planet from the Sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges in the middle. Earth's shape is described as geoid. The only natural satellite of the Earth is the Moon. The Earth is called as blue planet because of it has water, air. That's why it is called as blue planet. This is the shape of the Earth, original shape. This is known as geoid. Next, we are going to discuss about the environment. What is environment? The surroundings or conditions in which a person, animal, or plant lives or operates is known as environment. See, the surroundings which is covered by the plants, animals. So this total is known as environment. The word environment is derived from the French word environner, environner meaning neighborhood. Every year we celebrate June 5th as the World Environment Day. So we have to protect our environment, save earth, save future. Components of the environment. So natural components, human made components, human components. Natural components, non-living things, land, air, water, living things, animals, plants, insects, birds, all these things. Man-made environment, bridges, buildings, parks, industries, monuments, and roads, etc. Next, human-made environment. Human environment, individual family, community, religions, educational institutions, education, economy, and politics. These are known as human environment. In the natural environment, we are going to discuss about lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. In the lithosphere, mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, valleys, and deserts are there. In the hydrosphere, oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, all the water bodies comes under hydrosphere. Next, atmosphere. In the atmosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Next, biosphere. Biosphere means all living things. Here, human beings, birds, animals, plants, insects, microorganisms, all comes under biosphere. Natural environment, non-living organs, living organs. So we have already discussed about this. Lithosphere. See, this is lithosphere, the solid outer layer of the earth consisting of rocks and soils is called lithosphere. So this is interior of the earth, crust, mantle, core we can observe here. So outer layer in the blue color, that is crust. The second layer which is very orange red color, that is mantle. Next this is inner core and outer core. The word lithosphere originates from the Greek words litho, which means stone or rock, and spira, which means sphere or ball or round shape. Every year, April 22nd is celebrated as World Earth Day. This is spira, that means, litho. Litho means rock. Spira means round shape, ball shape, earth-like shape. Next, hydrosphere. Water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, ice caps, tanks, etc. are called hydrosphere. So, two-thirds, nearly 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by hydrosphere. Only 1% of water is useful to our needs. The remaining 99% of water is in the form of ice and saline water, etc. It's not useful to man directly. This is saline and ice. The word hydrosphere originates from the Greek words hydro, which means water, and sphera, which means sphere, or ball. Every year, March 22nd is celebrated as World Water Day. This is Spira. Atmosphere. The layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Different types of gases make up the atmosphere. The major gases are nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen has 78% and oxygen has 21%. The other gases like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, argon, and ozone are present in smaller amounts. So see here, nitrogen is 78%, oxygen is 21%, carbon dioxide is 0.03%, argon is 0.93%, all other gases are 0.04%. So this here we can observe the layers of the atmosphere, that is thermosphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. So the word atmosphere originates from the Greek words atmos, which means vapor, and spira, which means spira means ball shape, round shape, earth-like shape. Every year, September 16th is celebrated as World Ozone Day. Next, we are going to discuss about biosphere. All living things existing on the land, in the water, and in the air together is called as biosphere. It consists of plants, animals, bacteria, and other organisms. This is biosphere. Biosphere we can find it in water, land, and air also. Prepare two slogans on the protection of environment. Go green, eliminate the global warming, save the nature, save the future, save environment, save life. This is human environment. Our surroundings which are formed with man are called human environment. It consists of individual, family, community, religions, education, economy, politics. So all comes under human environment. Next, human made environment, that means buildings, factories, parks, roads, bridges, projects, and monuments. So these are made by the human beings. These are called man-made environment. Next, factors of pollution. So we can observe so many types of pollution. So these are ash, salt particles, smoke, acid rain, fuel consumption, industrial dust, chlorofluorocarbons, and fossil emissions, fuel emissions, waste dumping, agricultural pesticides. So these are all causes for the fact pollution. So by this pollution we can affect by so many ways. It leads to global warming and changes in the climate conditions, acid rains, declining farmland, extinction of animal species, and respiratory health problems also we are going to face. So we have to prevent the air pollution. There are so many various ways of air pollution control technologies and land use planning strategies available to reduce air pollution. First, we have to plant the trees, and we have to control the deforestation and control the emissions from the industries. Water pollution, causes of water pollution. The water gets polluted by various causes like different types of wastages, which are divided as industrial effluents, have a wide variety of organic and inorganic pollutants. Example, paper and pulp mills, dyeing textile industries, etc. The fertilizers and chemical industries are also a problem of water pollution. This is a serious environmental issue. Ways to conserve natural resources, we have to protect trees. Disasters. So disasters are two types: natural disasters and man-made disasters. We have to take preventive methods also. Disaster management we have to follow, and we have to escape from the dangers and disasters. Milky Way, industrial revolution, air pollution, photosynthesis, gravitational force. So these are the keywords we have to learn from this chapter. Thank you. Thank you once again.